Best quality.
helpful,
Clean.
trustworthy.
Every car and bike owner knows the importance of filling good quality fuel at a trusted petrol pump. And we are at special Nayara Energy Petrol Pump right here in Mumbai. Nayara Energy has built a solid reputation for providing its good quality fuel. Fuel that ensures better mileage and keeps your car performing at its best. But how do they maintain this consistency? Let's take a closer look. Come. Nayara Energy is India's largest private fuel station network with over 6,500 petrol pumps spread across national highways, state roads and even rural areas. They are always nearby when you need them. At this scale, precision is the hallmark of Nayara Energy's approach to quality and quantity. Here's how. Filter paper test, clean and hygienic stations, digital meters, trained and helpful staff. They also have some amazing offers from time to time, like the current Sabki Jeet guaranteed offer. Here the customer gets up to ₹5 off per litre if they fuel up for more than ₹1,000. At Nayara Energy, the high quality fuel is available in the right quantity at their all stations. The customers are even encouraged to check the quality of the fuel by themselves. They believe it's just not about delivering the quality of the fuel. It's about creating a memorable experience for every customer. But just don't take my word for it. Let's hear it from the customers who experience Nayara Energy's fuel quality and service every day.
मैंने यहाँ पे 3000 का पेट्रोल भरवाया है, मुझे यहाँ पे 150 रुपए का डिस्काउंट मिला है, यह बहुत अच्छी डील है।
I always come back to the same petrol pump because I fully trust their services.
यहाँ का स्टाफ भी बहुत अच्छा है, कोऑपरेटिव है।
They provide free air, free drinking water. All this small thing actually makes a lot of difference.
For the past 2 years, I have been using the diesel of Nayara Energy Petrol Pump, and after that, I haven't used any other petrol pump services. They have the best services.
Next time you hit the road, make sure you stop by Nayara Energy. The best fuel for your car, unbeatable offers and great service. You are getting more than just fuel. You are getting the best for your wallet and for your journey.